Hello mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So actually we're approaching to going to the Trees of Life here in Bahrain. So see you at i-discover natin kung ano talaga ang Trees of Life here in Bahrain na usap-usapan din sa lahat ng mga visitors and tourist people here in Bahrain. So see you.
It's hard to understand me, but I keep my own boundaries. Why won't they do the same? I'm tired of being the nice guy. I know I shouldn't be the one complaining right now. I'm the one who did this to.
So guys, we're here now in the Trees of Life here in Bahrain. So discover natin yung nakikita nyo po doon na area doon. Yun po yun. So, na-achieve din namin ni Abud at kasama natin yung travel buddy natin, si Abud. This is the Tree of Life Visitor Center here in Bahrain. I-discover natin ang kagandahan dito sa Trees of Life kasi ito po yung Garden of Eden with the Eve and Adam. Anong kumain ng apple? Pero yun yung nababasa ko. Just, I don't know if it's true. See? It's Tree of Life. It's very hot, but actually, ang area dito is almost 1 hour to travel from Manama to here para makita lang dito yung Tree of Life here. Yan, di ba ang ganda? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang loob nito, guys. Okay? Abad. Amazing. Diba? Soon, magkakaroon na to ng ano. Diba? Perfect. Paano po din eh? So guys, we're here now in the Trees of Life here in Bahrain. Na-discover po natin ang loob ng Bahrain. Kasi pinag-usap-usapan ng lahat ng mga tao dito na mga visitors pupunta po dito. So soon will be the best tourist. Kaya isama ko. Tapos is pupunta po in Bahrain. Trees of Life. Yung area nila. Bangad rin. Kasi yung mga pinaka-room nila talagang imagine mo lang. Kaya, how many years I think na naging ano dito. Tumani dito. Mga iba't ibang nasyonalidad ko. Ang ganda-ganda ng tignan. Kahit mga gano'n pa dito pictures and everything. Ang ganda. See? Look at that one. Very nice. See, there's a road na talagang maganda. At saka hindi siya init dito pag nandito kami sa loob. So far, konti lang po yung mga tao dito ngayon. So this Friday, so kailangan natin ito i-vlog. So, very nice. So guys, na-discover na po natin yung Trees of Life here in Bahrain. So ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa next destination here in Bahrain. So see you my next destination, Bahrain. So guys, for today's video, we're here now in the Bahrain Bay Beach. Here, as you notice, napakaganda ng lugar. It's so amazing place. Diba? Makikita mo yung city doon sa area. While we're here now in Bahrain Beach. Ang ganda. Diba? Ito yung ano to. Oh, amazing. Perfect. Napakaganda ng lugar. So, yun lang po for today's video guys. Inad ko lang to sa aking itinerary and bucket list itong Bahrain Bay Beach dito. Sa Bahrain lang matatagpuan and of course, the amazing place here in Bahrain. Diba? Since na ano po, inano ko na rin po pagkakataon na to na i-vlog ang area dito sa Bahrain Bay kasi weekends, so i-enjoy ang life as I sinabi ko lagi na enjoy life as always, diba? Ang ganda, but mainit lang a little but it's fine. So that's all. So see you guys for my next video and my next vlog, and see you for my travel vlog and another day, another Saudi Riyal again here in Saudi Arabia, but I'm here in Bahrain. So this is my travel vlog here in Bahrain. That's all folks, that's all for today's video. See you for my next vlogs. Bye bye.